Hi, my name is Ferrán, I'm 12 years old, and today we are going to cook a rice pudding. The necessary ingredients are 1 liter of milk, 10 grams of butter, 200 milliliters of liquid cream, 250 grams of rice, 150 grams of sugar, cinnamon, and lemon. Now I explain the recipe. First, we have to wash our hands. First, in a saucepan, we have to boil the milk with the rice. After that, we have to add the butter and the liquid cream. Next, we have to add the cinnamon and the lemon. After that, we have to boil 20 minutes. Next, we have to stir all ingredients. Finally, we have to add the sugar and stir 2 minutes. Now I'm plating the rice pudding in the bowl. Finally, we have to cook the rice pudding in the fridge. I'm going to try. Very delicious.